Our topic is global warming. We will talk about its causes because it is worrisome and it affects health and say measures to prevent it. What is it? It's the progressive increase in global temperature. The atmosphere and the seas experience an increase in their temperature, unusual in their temperature, damaging the world with different causes.
What are their characteristics? It's a problem because the natural areas, the vegetation as well as the species that inhabit them, they will suffer risk because they are in danger causing natural disasters. Gases like carbon dioxide